So Bitcoin is still consolidating right now, ranging at the POC. I'm going to show you my charts and some news for today because we have a red folder in the news. And I feel like there's going to be a lot of manipulation this coming days just because of the tension still in Iran. But we got some levels to look at, and I feel like you have to watch these levels. Be careful. You know, if you are long, if you're short, make sure to use stop loss, protect your capital, because I feel like there's gonna be some massive manipulation coming in the coming days. So let's go into the charts. This is what we got for Bitcoin right now. We are still stuck in this range, and we've been in this range for a couple of days now, probably a couple of weeks. And you know, we took at some highs, we took at some lows, and we're still in the middle now. Like, where is Bitcoin going to go? I feel like we're not gonna move here unless the tension in Iran is done, because you know, they're still going at it, boys. Iran has launched over 500 ballistic missiles and over 2,000 drones in retaliatory attacks so far, says the senior US admiral. And they're still going on it. So, you know, expect volatility, expect manipulation, fear, because it is still uncertain. People are still uncertain. And on the bright side though, this is from Fold. He says he got a WhatsApp text from a US Navy SEAL. They said that we're a little ahead of schedule. Today we're completely wiped out their Navy. They have 0 ships now, which is good. We have full air superiority, and all effective ADA sites are gone, so they have no ground to air. They have some ballistic cruiser and some one-way group 2 or 3 drones left. They already lost. We're just doing surgical work right now. So hopefully, you know, obviously war is very terrible, and I hope all of it will be done so that we could go back on our regular trading sessions. Yeah, man, I hope that it will be done soon. Also, Tom Lee is still buying. Tom Lee is still buying Ethereum, even if Ethereum is really weak. So his total PNL for his buys is pretty low. I mean, you know, his PNL right now is bad, but he keeps on buying, DCAing. I wonder where he is getting all this money from. You know, I could use $1 million right now to buy some Ethereum. Shout out to Tom Lee. He is basically the Michael Saylor of Ethereum. Even Michael Saylor is also buying Bitcoin just to buy the dip. So even when it's uncertain, I think, you know, when there's blood on the streets, that's when you buy Bitcoin. So other news right now, Trump says that the Genius Act is being threatened and undermined by banks, and it's unacceptable. So I feel like market is going to rally and pump once they actually get the structure done. It's only a matter of time. So we're probably just going to chop, but this will probably add to the pump once, you know, the Iranian tension is gone. We're all good, and then this will be passed. So I feel like once we've done that, we are going to have a rally before going into the bear market. So you gotta watch out for the news, check what's going to happen with this Genius Act. Also, if you've been checking out Polymarket, I think this is creating more fear. So sorry to bother you in the middle of Tuesday, but Polymarket, for a nuke detonating on June 30th, is at 17%. So the market is full of shameless insiders, so watch out for a massive spike. Do we bet on this? So obviously, you know, there's 70% chance. The fact that there's even 17% is just crazy, boys. So man, I hope this, you know, I hope they just delete this speculation, because this is just creating more fear on the market and for everyone. So I'm pretty shocked. Even Patrick said that, holy shit, it's real, and the odds are 20%. 23% in 2026. So, other than that, we got ADP non-farm payroll for today, ISM services. So hopefully that's gonna give us some volatility because we are stuck right now. So Bitcoin dump, right? Bitcoin dump, and then we pump after the news. And then right now, what I'm looking at for levels is probably this relative equal highs. I wonder if we're going to take that or probably come down first, take down some lows. Because we're in the middle. No trade for me. It's pretty hard to trade when you're at the middle because your stop's going to be super wide, and then your targeting will be like that. Obviously, you can trade that on a higher time frame, but for lower time frames, I'm trying to look for some trades in the middle. So I want to see if we sweep this low first before going up, or we sweep that high before going down. So obviously this is my short zone right here. We did reject from the value area high, and it came down and bounced from the weekly and previous week EQ, and now we're still stuck in the middle at volume profile basically. So let's actually check. So yeah, we're still in the middle range BOC. So those are the levels that I'm still looking at. Obviously you have to watch gold. Initially gold pumped Monday at the open, and then after everyone thought that the war is done, gold dumped a little bit, and then now it's recovering because there's more tension. And then yesterday Nasdaq also pumped, and then now it's like dumping again. So it's just a wide chop right here. If you don't want to trade, I feel like the best is not to trade right now. Just watch the market, watch the news, and just prepare, because this is absolutely not tradable right now. So I haven't traded futures for some time now because the market's just really bad. So are the levels that I'm looking at. Obviously we got some highs to take, we got some lows to take. Also, I'm just watching and marking some levels. Hopefully we get some trades this week. For altcoins, they're moving the same with Bitcoin, so I'm just waiting for some levels for Bitcoins to hit, and then we can see if we can get some trades for altcoins. Now, if you've been liking my videos so far, make sure to like and subscribe. I have some links below if you want to use it. I do get some referral fees, just a disclaimer. So thank you boys for watching. This is a midweek update. Thank you. See you guys on the next one.